Oh, well, my name's Ed Dodson. I arrived at the distillery in 1974 as a brewer. And 3 years later, I moved up to be assistant manager, and in 1987 became manager. Then I retired in 2005. Oh, hi, Graham. Big plans here.
Oh, big plans, yes. Yeah. Port pipes.
Graham has asked me along what he's doing his next bottling and things like that. And he just wants some background because some of the whiskies he'll be using are whiskies that were made in my time here. So you're using all these casks?
We'll use them all for it, one batch.
Oh, I personally, I sort of loved working here. I enjoyed working here, and I now enjoy seeing progress that Graham and them are making and actually pushing the whisky forward. They're making a magnificent job.
Like, for example, like this. It's like you are telling the secrets to Graham, not the other way around. So Graham is listening to you, yeah?
It's just like family to me, and when I come back, I'm always welcome.
Okay, let's have a look. So I really like this position.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Think it's done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's great to come back and people glad to see me, and I've got to be honest, I love meeting them, that they enjoy Glen Moray.